he's got them talking about tug of war. We've actually given this example to him before.
And they put the same amount of pressure on the rope, which we will get to soon, in regards to push-pull. Again, these people think it's funny and don't comprehend it. Then what we see there is an unbalanced force, which means that the two people are going to go the direction that the three people are pushing in.
Three people are pushing. Oh my word. They're pulling, Dal. They are pulling the rope.
Okay, so one last short thing on this applied pressure described as push and pull. Can we please just get past this thing of definitions and down to the actual physical mechanics?
They're all pulling. They're all pulling.
It's tug of war. You're pulling towards you.
If you push, there'll be a bit of a slack in the middle. If they all push.
We understand how you're describing it. Push and pull. We understand what that means to you, but this whole thing with words, where somebody could use a word in a conversation with another, but is the other person, is the other party in that conversation, when they hear that word, are the same images, thoughts, experiences, feelings, emotions being imparted to that person with those words? And until we actually address this, how can we ever know what each other is actually talking about? Even if we're listening and hearing, unless we're comprehending the other's interpretations and meanings and definitions, and vice versa, this is never going to get anywhere. So I understand your description of the motion that's taking place and how you describe push and pull in relation to the object's relationship to one another, whether they're getting closer or further apart. Now I totally get that. Can you try to understand that the actual physical mechanics of those things that you're describing are applied pressure? If you can't see that, I don't know what to say anymore. I really don't.
Can anybody show me?
A pile of bodies.
Can anybody show me a tug of war where they push the rope, please?
You would need a pole for that, a rigid pole.
And pressure.
Somebody pushing a rope. That's what I'm wanting to see.
Yeah, and Dal, to let you know, pressure is a push. It's a forcing on an object, not pulling away. Pressure doesn't pull. Pressure pushes against. Wow, I actually got no words. I want to literally